वेलकम टू प्रिंस स्टूडेंट हाउस। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमारे एक्सरसाइज नंबर 75 सर जीडीपी से जो 60 वर्ड समेंट हम दे रहे हैं, मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप उसको एवरीडे लिख रहे होंगे और ट्रांसक्रिप्शन कर रहे होंगे, अपनी मिस्टेक्स निकाल रहे होंगे। इसी सीरीज में हम चलते हुए आपको जैसे हमारे 60 वर्ड्स की डेली चल रही है, तो हमारे यूट्यूब पे अदर्स डिक्टेशन भी आपको मिलेंगे स्पीड की 80, 100 और 120 और अबव 120, लाइक पार्लियामेंट्री रिपोर्टर के नाम से हमने डाल रखी है प्लेलिस्ट, जिसमें हम 140, 150 और 160 डाल रहे हैं। आप रेगुलर लिखिए और जल्दी से कहीं जॉब को अचीव कीजिए। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं सेक्शन नंबर 75। रेडी, स्टार्ट। आई एम obliged for the opportunity given to me to speak. I stand here to support the appropriation bill and also the appropriation bill under consideration. Since the philosophy of our budget, which we have debated for 4 days in this house, is very much reflected in the two bills under consideration, and since both the sides were appreciative of certain very important features of the budget, which is very much reflected in the appropriation bill, I support it wholeheartedly. There cannot be any denying of the fact that everybody from our side as well as from the opposition side has admitted that this is a green budget but on grey landscape. So far as greenness of the budget is concerned, even the opposition members have come forward while they were putting their points of view on the budget, saying that for the first time a great emphasis has been laid on agricultural productivity, and they believe that it will lead to productivity. While replying yesterday, the finance minister commented upon the fact that once productivity is raised, demands should be raised, and the destabilizing forces in the economy would be contained, and so on and so forth. Therefore, with this hope giving budget, what I say is that it is for us to consider and support. The first salient features which I want to point out, and which is very much reflected in the appropriation bill, is that rupees 3000 crores more loans will be channeled to the agricultural sector. The second salient feature is that the important duty on pesticides and allied weed killing medicines will be diminished gradually, and fertilizer prices will be reduced by as much as 7.5%. The third features is that this 12% more financial subsidy will be accorded to the farm sector compared to the physical fiscal year 1997-98. Besides, a large portion of this huge amount of rupees 120 crores to be spent on infrastructure facilities like transport and communications will go to the rural areas. Then there is money to be spent on irrigation, which is very well mentioned in the appropriation bill. Sir, it is pity that while the union government has been so concerned about the upliftment of the poor, many state governments seemed to have been diverting central funds meant for poverty alleviation programs to other fields of expenditure which should be stopped. Thank you very much.